Okay, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to blur your background on Zoom. To get started, make sure you're already in a Zoom meeting. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom left corner of the Zoom window where you'll find the video controls. You'll see the Start Video or Stop Video button, depending on whether your camera is currently on or off. Right next to that button is a small arrow. Click that arrow to open the camera options menu. Alright, so after the menu appears, select Video and Effects Settings. Depending on the version of Zoom you're using, the wording may be slightly different, but you're looking for the option that opens your video settings panel. When the settings window opens, navigate to the Virtual Backgrounds tab. In some versions of Zoom, this section may be called Backgrounds and Effects. Either way, this is the area where you can manage what appears behind you during your meeting. You may notice several preset background options displayed here, but for this tutorial, you'll be selecting the blur effect. Find the option labeled Blur. It'll usually appear as a tile or thumbnail alongside the other available background choices. Click on Blur once. As soon as you select it, your camera preview should update automatically. Your face and the foreground will remain clear, while everything behind you becomes softly blurred. If you don't see the blur option, it may depend on the version of Zoom you're using or your computer's capabilities. Updating Zoom or trying a different camera can sometimes make the option available. If blur is supported on your device, you'll find it in the same Virtual Backgrounds or Backgrounds and Effects section you just opened. To help the blur effect look as smooth as possible, sit in good, even lighting so Zoom can clearly separate you from the background. Try to avoid strong backlighting from a window directly behind you, since that can affect how the blur appears. Position yourself in the center of the camera frame, with your shoulders visible, to help keep the blur effect consistent while you're on screen. Okay, if you want to make changes later, simply click the arrow next to your video button again, open the Video and Effects settings, and return to the Virtual Backgrounds or Backgrounds and Effects section. From there, you can select blur again or choose a different background option if it's available. That's all there is to it. Click the arrow next to your video button, open the Video and Effects settings, go to the Virtual Backgrounds or Backgrounds and Effects section, and select blur. Once it's enabled, your background will be blurred while you remain in focus, giving your video a cleaner appearance during your Zoom meeting.